Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a very short video just to show you how my lilacs turned out when I added colour to them. So here are the two side by side. You can see I've changed it slightly. The vase is a little bit different and the leaves are positioned slightly differently. But basically it's the same picture. I used the same sketch and everything. I used the same palette except that I added a purple and a pale lilac colour, and they were Brilliant Purple and Prism Violet. So I did exactly the same as I had done in the white lilac painting, did a sketch, painted the flowers background. I painted in the tabletop with raw umber and raw sienna, and I might have added a little alizarin crimson. And I took a tip from my hydrangea painting and painted petal shapes all over the base colour. And then I did some florets and some petal shapes over the top of that. And then I took a bristle brush and simply stippled over the rest of them, leaving some florets to show and some probably got hidden. But I think that's the trick to lilacs. I liked how it turned out. I feel I could have skipped all the previous steps and just gone in with my purple and prism violet. But I will say that the white underneath it threw up the colour a little bit. The vase in this version is okay. I don't think it's as good as the one in the white lilacs, but it's not bad. It does look transparent. You can see the stems through there. I used the dark purple as my shadow colour in this. And I've got a round bristle brush, say that 3 times, and I'm just stippling the colour on. I'm not making any attempt at florets at all. Some of the florets that I previously painted in white sort of show through, their shape shows through. So there is a hint of floret in there. But basically it's all stippled on. I think I could have used a little more pink in this painting, but I didn't. I did try, and then I kept going over it with the lilac. It just didn't seem to look right. I maybe don't have the right colour of pink. But anyway, I was happy with the result. I cut out quite a lot of this video simply because it was a repetition of what I'd done with the white lilacs. I'm just dotting colour over, trying to make shapes with shade and highlight and trying to get some colour in the lilacs. I'm not as happy with the vase as I was with yesterday's vase. I think I did a better job on the white lilacs vase. But hey, I'll do better next time. I have some hits and some misses. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please try and take time to give me a like and subscribe if you will. And thank you to everyone who's already done that. It's so helpful to me. And I'll see you next time. I'm not sure what I'll be painting, but I'll be painting something undoubtedly. So thank you for watching and bye for now.